Sonata form is the most important music structure in classical music, particularly in symphony, which always have the sonata form in its fourth movement. There is no exception for Schubert Unfinished Symphony. And usually sonata form has two themes, and so Unfinished Symphony. And we are working on the theme 1 right now, and later on we will work on theme 2. And each theme usually will be repeated with some modification to make the music more interesting. And we will see how Schubert make a modification to make his music so interesting and also so different from Beethoven's. What are their difference? What are their different approach to make music so different? All of these things, I hope I will help you to understand the situation. The way to help you to understand, I think it's better for you to answer some questions, to learn from to answer questions. When you answer questions, you probably need to do some homework by yourself. So I will provide the theme 1, the whole length of the theme 1 for you to listen to, carefully listen and answer the questions. The video is only 44 seconds. You might have already watched this before in my earlier posting. Okay. And the actual theme 1 start at second 3. That means the whole length of the theme 1 in the exposition part is only 42 seconds. You might need to listen to this music many times to answer these questions. And if you need, at the end of the video, I have posted the full music score of theme 1. Yeah, and I hope you will enjoy learning it this way. Yeah, have a good time.